Right. I agree, Vijay. First of all, thank you so much for such an for giving us such an elaborative understanding on how differentiating all of these CRMs are, but at the same time, how much transformative. They all are on their own journey, but they all are up to date with AI. They all have their own compliances, the correct guardrails and everything to protect the data. They have all of these. I think, of course, from a macro level, we can see that all of these CRMs are somewhere each other's competitors. But when we look into the technicalities, they all are truly serving very different personas and very different like each tool is good for one team and the other one is good for another team. And I think that is exactly what we are going to discuss in our next segment, where we are going to talk about the CRM Fit Matrix, that is for which role and for which capabilities which platform is relevant. So let's go directly into the revenue front, which is the CROs or the revenue leadership. So for them, I think the capabilities that they seek are, first of all, forecasting. And forecasting with a confidence under AI. So, of course, Salesforce provides it through Einstein Forecast. ServiceNow, as of now, has not been providing it. HubSpot has the insight, but as I have heard from our customers, the insight is somewhere a little bit limited as compared to Salesforce. Microsoft Dynamic is very much providing forecasting and are reliable also with Copilot forecasting. And with Zoho, of course, the forecasting currently is limited. So if you are from the revenue front, and forecasting is important to you, so maybe you should somewhere decide between these two tools. After that, deal governance and approvals. So Salesforce has that through flow approvals. ServiceNow has that through workflow engine, and HubSpot does have that. But the customizations or how far it can really go in terms of scaling is something that is still a little bit under question. Microsoft Dynamics has it through Power Automate, and Zoho, in Zoho's case, that is again a little bit limited. After that, there is revenue risk visibility, where they have Einstein signals and Microsoft Dynamics have AI signals for it. And then there is cross-team revenue accountability. This is something I think which has recently gotten introduced between in the teams, or at least more on enterprise front rather than small businesses, is cross team revenue accountability. And so with customers 360, Salesforce has it. There's ops view in ServiceNow which partially provides it, and then Microsoft Dynamics also provides this partially. Like I said, it is something that has recently entered into the market, so the CRMs are working towards it. But yeah, one CRM which is truly providing it is Customer 360, which is of Salesforce. So this was onto the revenue leadership front. Now, if we next goes to sales operations or RevOps. So here the major identity capability basis is identity control and deduplication. So this is available with Data Cloud. Additionally, identity control and deduplication is available on all of the other platforms as well. After that, we have end-to-end workflow ownership. Again, this is available in Salesforce with flows. This is available in ServiceNow with orchestration. And this is available in Power Automate also. This is available in Microsoft Dynamics also with Power Automate. And then after that, it is AI safe automation governance, where the Agentforce controls is there in ServiceNow to handle it. Then in Salesforce, it is Agentforce controls. Then in ServiceNow, it is Control Tower. And of course, in Microsoft Dynamics also, partially this is available. Again, something that they are actively working on. After that, we have cross system orchestration. This is also available on multiple platforms. Cross system orchestration is available on MuleSoft. In Salesforce, it is available in Agent Fabric in ServiceNow, and it is available as Power Platform in Microsoft Dynamics as well. So if you are from sales operations, you can decide what all are the capability bases which are absolutely non-negotiable for you and which platforms provides that. And additionally, again, like I always say, please connect with the right implementation partner. Everything that we are sharing here is something that a right implementation partner can dissect for you for your specific business use case. So make sure you connect with the right people. After that, we have marketing leadership. In marketing leadership, Vijay, would you like to take this one?
Yeah, definitely. In marketing leadership, we have unified customer identity. So, businesses would be needing that. So, Salesforce do provide it, HubSpot do provide it with Data Hub, but the others, ServiceNow doesn't have it, although they would be adding it pretty soon. But Microsoft Dynamics and Zoho are providing it, but on not that level when you compare it with others. AI-driven personalization. So we have that with Einstein on Salesforce, and we don't have it on ServiceNow as of now. But HubSpot, we have it with native AI in Dynamics, Microsoft Dynamics, we have it via Copilot, and in Zoho, it's a little bit limited. Campaign revenue traceability, yes, we have it in Salesforce, and we have it in HubSpot as well, but we don't have it in ServiceNow, and we have it limited and partial in Dynamics CRM and Zoho CRM. For consent and compliance, we have it in Salesforce, we have it in ServiceNow as well, but HubSpot is providing a little bit limited access in that, and Microsoft Dynamics is providing it via their compliance stack. Next up, we have customer support and IT, architecture. So first of all, we have customer support. So if we can have it on the slide. So AI-based case triage and routing. So Salesforce do provide it. ServiceNow also provide it. As you can see, everybody provides it because it's quite basic.
Needed.
It's needed, yeah.
Yeah.
And then
Can't
we have
do without it.
Yeah. Then we have SLA enforcement at scale. So Salesforce and ServiceNow and Microsoft Dynamics CRM do provide it. HubSpot is providing it limited, and Zoho also provides it. Then we have deflection measurement and control. So Salesforce and ServiceNow do provide it. HubSpot and Zoho are providing some limited features, and Microsoft Dynamics has it partial. And escalation governance is basically, being provided by Salesforce and ServiceNow and Microsoft Dynamics, but it's not there for HubSpot and Zoho to that extent. It is there, but it's a bit limited. Now, having said all of that, whatever Surbi said, whatever I said, things will be dependent on, how your business will be requiring that, how they would be utilizing it. It's not that we are saying, no, they don't have it. It might not be the case for you. It might be this thing that you're looking for is there, and then you would be able to utilize it. So it's just that. So you might have to, as Surbi said, you have to connect with the expert and they can dissect what particular platform is right for you and what level of features or what level of capabilities you're looking for. Then we have IT and enterprise architecture. So we have AI governance and observability, where Salesforce do provide it, ServiceNow also provide it, and Microsoft Dynamics provide it partially, but HubSpot and Zoho doesn't provide that. And similarly, you can see for identity and access governance, it's I would say a similar story, but with HubSpot and Zoho do providing it with a limited capability. And the platform extensibility is, yes, provided with Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Microsoft Dynamics. HubSpot and Zoho do provide it, but it is quite limited, I would say. And enterprise grade auditability is available in Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Microsoft Dynamics, and with the partial, I would say, features available in Zoho, and in HubSpot, it is limited. I think with that, we can move on to, since we have talked about all of these things, we can move on to the thing that we were talking about.
Right. So I hope you were able to gain a good idea about how you can differentiate between different tools. Again, like Vijay said, not just rely on this information, connect with right implementation partner, connect with Vijay, reach out to him on LinkedIn, or reach out to me on LinkedIn, or reach out to anybody on LinkedIn from Cyntexa, and we'll be able to help you out in understanding additionally which platform is better for you and which platform you should go ahead with.